going on, folks? I'm gonna show you how you'll be changing out your brake lights on a 2014 to about the 2020 Chevy Impala. What you want to do is come to your trunk pretty much, and when you come to the trunk, you'll see these little pieces right here you want to unscrew. You'll have one at the bottom like that. Unscrew that one. Then you'll have one at the top you want to unscrew, just like that. So I got these two pieces unscrewed. Then once you do that, you want to come right here. You'll have these little things right here you just want to pop out. I took like a little bar like this, pretty much. You just kind of put it beneath her and pop those out like that. There's one here, and you'll have one at the top right here that you want to pop out. And once you do that, you can kind of just pull back on this lining right here like that. And once you do that, you can look right here and you should be able to see, like right here, this one's going to be your brake light right here. All you want to do basically is just spin it. I'm actually working on the driver's side, so I'm just spinning it basically toward the passenger side. And once you do that, as you can see right here, your light will come out. You also want to make sure you wear gloves when you touch these bulbs, because if you don't, you can get grease on them that will cause them to basically go out quicker. But once you have it out, you just kind of just want to pull the bulb out just like that. Then you're going to take your new bulb, same way, basically plug it right into your electrical connection, and pretty much you'll be good. And also, if you want to change out your whole brake light assembly, what you should see is like some screws like this. I think you'll have like 1, 2, 3 or possibly 4 screws to take out, or bolts to take off. When you take those bolts off, you should be able to basically pull off your whole brake light assembly right here. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your brake lights on a Chevy Impala. It's probably the same process from the 2014 up to the 2020. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.